Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to lesson 29 of our online English lessons. Today, we're going to continue learning about verbs in the past. But first, let's see what we've learned so far. Cosa abbiamo imparato finora? Be in the past becomes was or were, and it's the only verb to conjugate. Questo è molto importante. Verbo essere è sempre quel verbo un po' monello che fa le cose un po' diverse rispetto agli altri verbi. Quindi non solo è un verbo irregolare, ma addirittura viene coniugato alla prima e terza persona singolare. I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, you were, they were. Number 2. The verb have in the past becomes had. E qui abbiamo conosciuto un altro verbo irregolare, have. Number 3, regular verbs. For example, talk, walk, work, dance, and play. These are all regular verbs. And to transform them in the past, you add ed. I talked to my mother yesterday. We walked to school last week. My mother worked from home last month. I danced all night long. And the children played. Boys and girls, remember the pronunciation. Ricordatevi quello che vi ho detto durante le lezioni meet. What I told you during our meet. The pronunciation of the ed. Che dovete ragionare in base al suono. Talked, walked, worked, danced, played. Come sentite in tutti questi esempi, la E non si sente. Si sente solo in quei casi in cui è il suono stesso ti obbliga a dirlo. Per esempio, start. I started learning English in primary school. Boys and girls, remember, please remember, the verbs in the past do not conjugate. So you don't need to worry about the third person singular. You need to worry about the third person singular when we speak in the present. Okay? Big, big, big thing to remember. Today, we're going to look at 4 irregular verbs. Go, see, come, and run. Let's look at the first verb. Go. Go is in the present. For example, the girl goes to school every day. You see the girl, she goes to school every day. Third person singular. We have to conjugate. What happens in the past? Let's look at our example. The girl went to school last week. So the verb go in the past is went. I went to the United States last summer. You went to Sardinia 2 years ago. Went. Verb number 2 is see. I see the sun in the sky. No, you see with your eyes. See. See in the past becomes saw. Saw. Yesterday, I saw a helicopter in the sky. Saw. Verb number 3 is come. The boy is telling the dog to come here and play. Come. Vedete, c'è la O. Come. What happens in the past to our O? We drop the O and put an A. Came. Come. Came. My grandmother came to visit yesterday. And finally, run. Run. The dogs run in the garden every morning. Run. We change the vowel and we put an A. From a U to an A. Ran. Notice the pronunciation. Run. Ran. My brother ran a marathon last spring. Ran. Here we see the first worksheet I am sending you using go and went. So the words go and went are action words. You need to understand when to use go or when to use went. Boys and girls, it's not necessary to print. You can just copy these sentences in your notebook, writing go or went to complete each sentence. Here is the second worksheet. Again, go and went. Same thing as the previous worksheet. Copy the sentences and insert the correct verb. The third worksheet combines using see, come, and run. So you need to circle the correct action word. So is it present or past? And you need to use a word in a sentence. So you need to write a sentence. Okay? So with see and run. And let's look now at the fourth worksheet. The fourth worksheet is again see, come, and run. And now you need to know which one to put in. Copy your sentences in your notebooks. And that's it for today. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye, butterfly.